Si Yana ay isang makulit, malambing na bata at lagi niyang kaaway ang kanyang nanay. Tsaka si Gabi, mapagmahal din siya bata at minsan may katarayan pero at the same time, napakabait din.
Oh, try to say that I've had enough.
Si Juliana po ay naiyak na agad. Juliana po ay very loving daughter. Napakabait, mapagmahal sa magulang. Pati sa ibang tao, pati classmates, teachers, very caring. Baka Diyos din. Every time na may madadaan na kaming simbahan, gusto niya lagi dadaan kami, ganyan.
Blue eyes, blue skies when we're together. Oh, you pull me right back in. Yeah, you pull me right back in.
Happy birthday, Juliana!
Happy birthday, Annabelle. Wish ko sa'yo, sana, don't grow so fast. Afraid si Wawa Beng na mag-grow ka kasi baka mamiss na natin yung isa't isa. Pero yeah, stay sweet, stay may pandet. Happy birthday.
Try to say that I've had enough.
Yana, happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay sana maging mabait ka palagi sa mami at daddy mo. At thank you, lagi kang nandyan kay AD bilang ate.
It's like God in heaven.
Happy birthday, Yana! Happy birthday, Yana!
When we're together. Oh, you pull me right back in. Yeah, you pull me right back.
Nasrinang I wish and pray that God may shower you with love, courage, and wisdom to fulfill whatever your heart's desire.
And I don't know how.
Happy birthday, Yana girl! I wish and I pray na lumaki ka na healthy na bata at saka i-bless ka sana ni Lord lahat ng gusto mo and sana maging happy ka. I love you! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Yana! Stay sweet and God bless you.
It hurts like hell, but it feels like God in heaven. Oh, you pull me right back in.
I wish you all the goodness in life and may the Lord God bless you always. I love you.
Yeah, you pull me right back.
Etong gift na to is, I believe something that you will like. Because the best gifts are the ones that alam ko na ito yung magbibigay ng saya sa'yo for today or sa mga susunod na araw.
Happy birthday, Yana! Wishing you lots fun, laughter, and sweet surprise today. Happy birthday, Ate Yana! I love you.
Wala akong ibang wish kundi maging isang mabuti kang bata at mapagmahal.
Happy birthday, Juliana! Thank you for spending time with me. Thanks for being my best friend. Since we're kinder, we play each other. Sometimes we learn. Thank you, Juliana. I love you.
Keep shining, smiling, and believing in yourself that you can do amazing things.
Ang wish ko for you is that you grow up to be a kind, happy, and healthy kid. And always remember na yung family will always be here to support you and love you and guide you always. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate.
Hi Ate, I wish that you grow old being God-fearing person, loving to your family, and still doing good. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
Hello ate, happy birthday. Basta tumanda kang may takot sa Diyos, ayun nga lagi ko sinasabi, lagi magpapasalamat kung anong meron. Hindi lahat permanente. I love you.